Are you prepared to embark on a journey into the realm of the most satisfying machines and ingenious tools? We assure you of pure satisfaction, so settle in, unwind, and get ready for an extraordinary experience. However, before we dive in, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to enhance our day together. Witness the seamless precision of the tree baler machine effortlessly wraps the Rocky Mountain juniper. This machine seamlessly shapes copper into coils, applying continuous pressure with unparalleled expertise. It's truly thrilling to watch this mesmerizing process unfold. Behold the awe-inspiring might of hydraulic hot riveting before your eyes. Witness the embodiment of the saying, "Cleanliness is next to godliness," as this gentle boy diligently carries out the task at hand. I am utterly stunned by the sheer capabilities of this machine. Did you know that this massive rotary pan is utilized in crafting gobing, a delectable wheat product crafted from fermented dough? Acrobatics displayed in Jake Latham's plowing skills. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer magnificence of this process. Do you agree this circular braiding machine offers an ASMR-like experience? Bid farewell to human hands and welcome the egg breaker with its special knives, revolutionizing the art of breaking eggs with unmatched precision. What's the need for working if I have many of this plastering machine? Witness the intricate process of crafting train wheels or brake discs. Who said tattoos were permanent? With this laser tattoo removal, you good to go. I bet you'd give up everything just to stand by this extraordinary machine. No molds are needed to craft these saucepans, just stand by, and the machine effortlessly performs its work. The meat cutter smoothly executes its cuts, so be cautious and watch out for your hands in this precision operation. This is something I can watch all night, an enchanting spectacle that surpasses sweet dreams. A sharpened blade it all takes to smoothly cut the trunk surface. Did I just witness a water jet cutting through that? Wow! This machine has made manual cloth making so easy for one person. With these paper cutters, you needn't worry about bulk and thick papers. They cut smoothly, making the task effortlessly efficient. With this extended video of the candy puller machine, there's no need to stress anymore. It's incredibly satisfying to watch. The engineering and manufacturing of pin tennis balls. Joints or cracks? Who needs some caulk? This is my first time coming across such semi-automatic dough divider in my life. Witnessing this satisfying machine in action makes me feel like a kid again, marveling at the wonder and joy it brings. Water pressure machines operate with the forceful combination of water, harnessing its power for effective and efficient cleaning. The process of making ice cream with these popsicle machines is even more satisfying than I could have imagined. In case you have no idea, this is the fascinating process through which coins are meticulously crafted and brought into existence. If you know this, leave a comment. This is the end of the video. Please drop the like button and subscribe for more exciting videos coming up.